1. The human brain accounts for just 2% of our body weight, but it consumes 20% of our energy. 2. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. 3. The average human brain contains around 100 billion neurons. 4. The brain can process information at a speed of up to 120 meters per second. 5. Our brains are wired to prefer storytelling over statistics or facts. 6. Our brains are constantly rewiring themselves in response to new experiences and information, a process known as neuroplasticity. 7. The left hemisphere of the brain controls the right side of the body, and vice versa. 8. The human brain doesn't fully mature until our mid-20s. 9. Different parts of the brain are responsible for different functions, such as language, memory, and emotion. 10. The human brain is capable of amazing feats, such as memorizing entire books or solving complex math problems in seconds. 11. The brain is divided into 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is responsible for consciousness, perception, and cognition, while the cerebellum controls balance and coordination, and the brainstem regulates basic functions like breathing and heart rate. 12. The brain communicates with the rest of the body through the nervous system, which consists of neurons and glial cells. Neurons are specialized cells that transmit electrical and chemical signals, while glial cells provide support and insulation for neurons. 13. The brain is protected by the skull, cerebrospinal fluid, and the blood-brain barrier, which prevent harmful substances from entering the brain tissue. 14. The brain is highly plastic, meaning it can change and adapt in response to new experiences and learning. This is why learning a new skill or language can actually physically change the structure of the brain. 15. The brain is responsible for producing emotions, but different emotions are processed in different parts of the brain. For example, fear is processed in the amygdala, while happiness is processed in the prefrontal cortex. 16. The brain is capable of producing and perceiving different types of waves, such as alpha, beta, delta, and theta waves. These waves are associated with different states of consciousness, such as relaxation, alertness, and deep sleep. 17. The brain's ability to multitask is a myth. The brain can only focus on one task at a time. However, it can switch between tasks quickly and efficiently. 18. The brain's incredible processing power is due to the complex networks of neurons and their ability to communicate with each other through synapses. 19. Brain scans, such as MRI and fMRI, have revolutionized our understanding of the brain and have allowed us to map different brain regions and their functions. 20. Despite decades of research, there is still much we don't know about the brain, and scientists are constantly making new discoveries and uncovering new mysteries.